Hey guys, back here again with the last part of my Hunchback of Notre trading card booster box. You're doing the last 12 packs here. So, and that finishes it off. So, I'll just close this one up. And it is finished. So here we go. The last 12 packs. And there's the Jester Challenge card, and then the mini overview of the set. It comes in every pack. And here we go. We have a humor card. And there's a maze card. It's just stuck together there. The Rebel Hero maze card. And two of them there. There's another humor card. Topsy Turvy. A pop out. There's a finger puppet. Build a tower, coin, and a puzzle card. There we have a story card, a Gypsy Spirit, another story, a story card. And there is an iron-on. I call these a tattoo, but they are actually iron-ons. Put them on clothes or whatever you want. Topsy Turvy, pop out, finger puppet, build a tower, coin, and a puzzle card. And start out with a Festival of Fools, a story card, a humor card, a character card, Topsy Turvy, pop out, finger puppet, build a tower, coin, and a puzzle card. There we have the Rebel Heroes Maze card, another Rebel Hero, Festival of Fools, another Rebel Hero, Topsy Turvy. There's a pop out, finger puppet, build a tower. There's a coin card and a puzzle card. Start out with a character card, and then a story card. Story card, story card, Topsy Turvy, pop out, finger puppet, build a tower, a coin card, and a puzzle card. And there's a story card, and there is the other 3D card there. See? Trying to get it good on camera there. There we go. Kind of see it good there. Really cool. Topsy Turvy, pop out, finger puppet, build a tower, coin, and a puzzle card. There we have a humor card, story card, Gypsy Spirit, character, Topsy Turvy, pop out, finger puppet, build a tower, coin card, and a puzzle card. And there's a story card, a humor card, story card, a humor card, another iron-on, really cool. Topsy Turvy, pop out, finger puppet, build a tower. There's a coin card and a puzzle card. And there's a character card, a story card. I think this would be a character card. Don't know why they're flipped around all of a sudden. Hadn't had any problems in any other packs. So that one was flipped around. It's a Topsy Turvy, pop out, finger puppet, build a tower, coin, and a puzzle card. And a story card, character card, story card, Gypsy Spirit, Topsy-Turvy, Pop Out, Finger Puppet, Tower, Build a Tower, Coin, and a puzzle card. 2 more packs to go. And we have a humor card, story card, Rebel Heroes, story, Topsy-Turvy, Pop Out, Finger Puppet, Build a Tower, Coin, and a puzzle card. And here is our last pack of our booster box, all 48 of them. And we have a story card. This one's going to be stuck together here. Got a Festival of Fools, Gypsy Spirit, Topsy-Turvy, Pop Out, Finger Puppet, Build a Tower, Coin, and our last puzzle. Well, that will do it for my Hunchback of Notre Dame booster box of 48 packs. We got a lot of awesome cards. The set was a lot of fun opening up, just all the different cards in there. And with the added iron-ons, and then the 2 3D puzzle cards. I can show you this one here. It was really cool. You can see that is 2 of 2. It focuses up there. Not wanting to focus up, but it's number 2 of 2, and I pulled the first one, number 1 of 2, in the last part. So check that out if you want to see it. So, like I said, a lot of fun opening it up. I hope you guys enjoyed. So leave a comment or a like if you want, if you enjoyed this as much as I did. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later.